Okay, scholars. So we're now creating a trend line. First thing we want to do, identify the correlation and association. This graph is showing the scatter plot is going uphill and they're all kind of following suit and they're close together. So I would say this is a positive linear correlation or like linear association with a positive correlation. But we need to know that it's both linear and positive. Okay, so second, when I think of a trend line and when I look at scatter plot, I want to think of it like a road. So on a road, I can draw. I'm using the highlighter feature so that I can kind of give you guys a great visual of the road that I see when I see this. When you're doing your example, you do not have to use a highlighter first. You can kind of just look at it and eyeball it if you like to. But I want to make sure you guys see what I see. And when I see it, this is what I see. I see all the dots going in this direction. I have a few dots that's outside of the road, but the majority of them are in this road. And because this is a road to me, you know, the Forest Hill Road that's coming to our school, it has a middle lane. That's what my trend line is going to be. My trend line has to be my middle lane. And so I'm going to now draw that as my middle lane. Let me change my utensil. Okay. So I know for a fact one thing I wanted to do is to go through certain points. Like I wanted to be going through certain points like that. Now you see how my trend line is more centered. I went through some points. I have some points above it and beneath it, but I also went through points. It's probably not the straightest because I'm not using a straight edge. And unfortunately, with technology nowadays, we don't have a straight edge to do that. But what we do see is that this now can do some great predicting for us. So let's move to the next step. You try.